Professor B.B. Kalliwal, Vice Chancellor, Davangere University from Karnataka. Respected colleagues on the dais and off the dais, and all the delegates. I first of all thanks the organizer for giving me this opportunity to say few words on this occasion. Well, now, education and the employment. The education, the universities, the industries, and the government. These three, if they work together, then you can do miracle. The universities are, as the Vice Chancellor of Law University has put it, the universities are not meant for the production of, for the employment. It gives the knowledge or learning. Yes, I do admit, but at the same time, so when we produce the products from the university, and these products should be utilized properly by the society or by the industries or by the government sector. Now, production, see, for university, the students are the products. As our Prime Minister told that India is the one where rich of human resources is available. Yes, I admit, very good resources is there, but the proper skills, as we have talked about, we have heard about the skills, and now really we have introduced the skills program in our curriculum, in the coursework, as a one compulsory paper. The another one which we have introduced is the computer applications. So like that, different the subjects we have introduced, even in UG as well as in the PG program. But the time is constrained. The time is very, very limited. So we cannot train the students where the industry is required, because there are thousands of industries. See how many industries are here. You can see on the board. So on that basis, we are giving maximum training to the students, giving all the skills programs, needs, or the specific subject which they take in the curriculum. We have changing the curriculum oftenly, but many times we invited the industry people, 1 or 2 meetings comes later, they will not turn up. I have seen many people who will not involved in the curriculum program of the universities. So that is the condition. So now I request all the industrialists that you must help the society, or you must help the curriculum preparing, so that these things can be utilized by the students. So there is a bridge or the gap that exists, yes, between universities and industry and the government sector. Now the universities, now 700 universities are there. As per our population, we required 1,500 universities. So still, so many universities has to come up, but the finance, that also plays a very important role in the development of the universities, and also to start the different courses, and the new skills should be implemented in that one. So the infrastructural facilities also we are lacking. The another very important one in the university sector, that is the research. The technology, the new technology, where we identify, we do so many research work, innovatives, all those things. Whether it can be transferred, that is another, the bridge that we are failing. Where the transfer of new technology, what you have discovered in the university sector, whether in the science or whether in management or anything, new ideas where you have brought and where new technology you have established, can it be transferred? Where little bit there is a hindrance in university sector. So that is how, so lot of that gap, now we are trying our level best to fill up this gap, so that our students will get the good employment opportunities in the industries. So the human resource can be utilized by the, that is how, even we are requesting to the government in our Karnataka, so where, so you must involve in the system, you must also have certain norms how to fill the gap between the universities, the industries and the government. If all these things are set right, so that the financial sector, if the financial stability, all those things is done, definitely we are going to do our level best to give a good product which can be utilized by the industry. So with these few words, I thanks once again. Thank you very much.